This quick video walks you through the full process of sending in your worksite report using the FieldMaps app from start to finish. We are going to submit a worksite report in just 4 simple steps. So, to do this, let's start with the first step, which is accessing FieldMaps. With your team name saved in Quick Capture, you land on the main menu of Quick Capture app. Expand the app link section and tap FieldMaps. That opens up the pathway from the Quick Capture app to FieldMaps. Let us go to the next step, which is loading the FieldMaps worksite map layer so the app can pinpoint where you are working. FieldMaps takes a moment to launch and begins acquiring your location using GPS. The map is now ready with your assigned worksite clearly visible. Let us go to the next step, which is opening your assigned worksite to review what has already been recorded. Tap the worksite pin to open its detail panel, then scroll through the fields to see the existing triage category, status, and building information. You have now reviewed the current state of the worksite triage record. Let us go to the next step, which is entering edit mode so you can start updating the worksite report. Close the pop-up and tap the edit button to open the worksite for changes. The edit screen loads with the map location at the top along with attachments and form settings below. You are now inside the editable version of the worksite record. Let us go to the next step, which is setting the report type and date and time, since every submission needs to be timestamped and categorized correctly. Scroll down to the form section and choose the report radio button to mark this entry as a full worksite report. Tap the calendar icon next to reporting date and time to open the picker. Pick the current date and time from the picker and confirm your selection. The report is now tagged with the right type and moment in time. Let us go to the next step, which is entering more operations details and the assessment, search, and rescue level your team is working on. Scroll to the operations section and tap the field for teams at site right now. Enter the identifier for your team currently working the site. Open the assessment, search, and rescue level being carried out field and pick the appropriate rescue phase, in this case assessment, search, and rescue 3 for primary search and rescue. Tap the total victims rescued field and put in the current count. Do the same for the total deceased recovered field, entering the running total. Operations details are captured for this reporting cycle. Let us go to the next step, which is filling planning information, so UCC know the worksite status and the resources it still needs. Scroll to the planning information section and open the worksite status field. Choose active from the list to show that work is ongoing at the site. Tap the total confirmed alive field and enter the number of confirmed survivors. Move to the total missing field and record how many people are still unaccounted for. Open the estimated hours to completion field and pick the 6 to 12 hour range to signal how much work is left. Planning details are locked in for the UCC to review. Let us go to the next step, which is providing coordinator information so the report is properly attributed to the person and team supplying it. Scroll down to the section where you input the details of the person and coordinator providing the information. Type the name of the person providing the update, open the team country field, filter the list by typing the country code, and pick the matching entry. Tap the team number field and choose the identifier that goes with your team. Keep scrolling through the rest of the form past the UCC information and data quality sections to reach the end. The full form is now filled out from top to bottom. Let us go to the next step, which is submitting the worksite report. Tap the checkmark icon at the top to submit the report, and a loading spinner will confirm it is being sent. Your updates are now on their way to the UCC and team module. Let us go to the next step, which is confirming the updated status so you can verify the changes landed correctly on the map. The app returns to the map view with the updated worksite pin highlighted in cyan to show the change was accepted. Open the pin again to see the worksite status now reading active, matching what you just submitted. The updated report is confirmed and visible on the map. Let us go to the next step, which is exiting to the training screen to wrap up the session. Tap the back button to leave the map view. You land back on the ICMS training field, Maps main screen. And that wraps up the submission with the status now showing the update. You've gone through the full process of submitting a worksite report from start to finish. Go give it a try on your own.